Good evening and Jai Hind. In this chapter, we will cover all the important nationalist movement led by Mahatma Gandhi. So first of all, just there is a short introduction which is related to the same. Mahatma Gandhi is the most influential and revered of all the leaders who participated in the freedom struggle of India. So in January 1915, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi returned to India after spending 2 decades in South Africa. It was in South Africa he first focused on distinctive techniques of non-violent protest known as satyagraha and then promoted the harmony. Okay. Like as Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar on 2nd October 1869 and then he left for South Africa as the barrister to argue a case in 1893. So when Gandhiji returned from South Africa in January 1915, then he was involved in some political activities, and Gopal Krishna Gokhale was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi infused a new life into the Indian freedom movement and had successfully used satyagraha and non-violence in South Africa. Satyagraha literally means an appeal for truth and is passive resistance used powerfully to appeal the conscience of the oppressor. Mahatma Gandhi successfully organized satyagraha movement in different parts of India. Mahatma Gandhi used the concept of satyagraha for mass mobilization and political movement against the injustice of the government. Then in 1916, Mahatma Gandhi visited the poor peasants of Champaran district in Bihar. The British used to force the peasants of Champaran to cultivate indigo instead of food crops. Then the village in Champaran were very unhygienic and affected by the social levels like the Parda system and untouchability. Mahatma Gandhi started a drive to improve the infrastructure of the villages in Champaran. So he started a satyagraha movement against the oppressor of the peasants. Then in 1917, Mahatma Gandhi visited the Kheda district of Gujarat, people of which were also stricken with poverty and social evil. So Mahatma Gandhi, along with Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, gathered mass support and organized a satyagraha against the tax burden. Another satyagraha movement was organized by Mahatma Gandhi in Ahmedabad in 1918 to support the demands of the cotton mill workers. Successfully implementation of satyagraha motivated the Indians and also paved the way for the other nationalist movement in future also.